Number 2 then from paper 1 of the 2018, 3 marks here for a function, find its inverse. Well, in fact, you could get that inverse just by looking at it. And last year they gave you 3 marks just for doing that, just for stating it, because that's so simple. What does it say? If you've got a number to start with, the 2 things you do are you divide by 5, then you take away 4. So how can you undo that to get back to the starting number? Add 4 and times 5. Whatever you're starting with, add 4 and times 5, and there's your answer. But I wouldn't take a chance on that. There's a couple of ways of setting it out. I'm just going to set it out one way just now because it's just a quick sketch of it. And that would be call the answer y. And work your way back to x, the starting number. I'll just write it the other way around. So that means the first thing you do is you take that 4 across and add it. Oh, what happened to x? And then take that 5 across and multiply it, remembering it multiplies the whole of that side. And then you would say, well, strictly speaking, that's the inverse function acting on y that produces the answer. But at this stage, it allowed just to say, let's just reduce them all to x's. So 5 times x plus 4. And the only thing is, would they accept that as the answer, or do they want it multiplied out to 5x plus 20? I don't know, so I'll just put that down just in case.